Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. In this video, you will be surprised to see what the Muslim did to this family. In this video, you will see a Hindu family standing in front of the Masjid. When the Muslims were coming out after praying, they saw the Hindu family at first. The worshippers were surprised to see them. This video is currently creating a lot of discussions on social media. After hearing this, all the devotees started helping them financially according to their ability. Currently, in this world of hate, such videos are not easily seen. So the video is shared more and more through social media, giving everyone an opportunity to see it. Everyone is praising the brotherhood of Hindus and Muslims shown in the video. The Muslims brothers never once thought that they belonged to a different religion before helping the Hindu family. Allah's Quran and the Hadith of the Muhammad ﷺ teach us that whoever comes to our door asking for help, whoever he is, we should help him. Hindu families also know that the Masjid is a place from which they will not return empty-handed. Give your valuable feedback about the video in the comment box. Akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Allah
تسر أسارير وجه صبي سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهدى يا